Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lukas Knopf and we are at my slopestyle backyard in Germany. Matt Jones came out for a visit.
And I've come to ride his crazy backyard and test out the Insta360 1R action camera and get some really cool shots on these huge jumps. Sick, so we've ridden the smaller jumps, but now I'm pretty ready to ride this big line with the boner log and the huge jumps. Can I go first?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Always so sick if you take off and you're still in the air.
We was right above you.
Back to the top. After I finished with these, we're gonna have a session on the trick jump.
We've come up to the more trick-focused end of Lucas's kind of compound. I've seen what Lukas can do on this, but I've got some ideas as well myself.
You know that this right here forever. And there will be no surrender. Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J-O-N to the easy E-N. Know that we undefeated, y'all are beneath them speeches trying to air a grievance. But his lines are overhead, better check the air for clearance. Call the tower, this is ours, clear the heat, the air apparent. Really I've never been better. Legacy, this is forever. All the more times I've been seven, I'm raising the bar, you can go ahead and measure. Think about time for a toast, time that we welcome to go. Y'all were just leaving, I think about time that somebody go get them their coat. You know I got all that anthem, come back in, what you call that add-on. Got anthems and bands with masters, getting them right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive, I ain't bigger dead than alive. One more time, this is forever, remember the legend, he never gon' die, I ain't bigger dead than alive, I ain't bigger dead than alive, bigger dead than alive, la la la. Making sure that you know why, because this is really I never been better. Legacy, this is forever. Really I never been better. Legacy, this is forever. Really I never been better. The legacy live on forever. Remember the legend and know that he never surrendered, because this is forever.